Hey, I'm Fletcher, co-founder and CEO of Type. Type is a shared workspace for your entire team to collaborate with Claude, Codex, and all the tools that you already pay for. To give you a quick lay of the land here, Type is set up with a series of spaces. Each space is a computer that allows you to run Claude Code, Codex, or any of the latest and greatest harnesses and models with a shared library of integrations, skills, and memory. We find this to work much better than trying to have all these different individual agents that do individual things. Instead, you have one space that brings all that stuff together for a department in your business, and then you can create different channels in that space to organize the work, but you're not having to reconnect integrations, to recreate skills and figure out how to share those skills across the different agents. So here, for example, I have my marketing space. My marketing space has a library with a bunch of skills in it. It's connected to all of my data. We have over 1,000 different integrations. I can now kick off conversations with Claude Code in this case, which is hooked up to. I can pick any model, pick any harness. And here what I'm doing is I'm actually building out a new water bottle brand. It's a CMOS infused water bottle. And I can go back and forth here with the agent, and you can see here I've created this beautiful new water bottle design. It's looking really good. And this whole thread is shared. So this is actually visible to my entire team. You can see here, these are the threads that I've started. Here's all the other threads that my team has started in this space. And I also can share this specific session or code prompt with my team. So anyone can jump into this thread. I can tag my coworker into this thread and say, hey, check out this new brand info. Right? And that's gonna kick off, and you can see I was talking to him earlier. This kicks off a conversation with him, and we can go back and forth without invoking the AI to respond. But by default, everything in Type has an AI response to it. Based on the space that you're in, it can pull the memory, it can pull the context, and you get back these really useful responses because it's actually able to take action and do things. It doesn't stop there. So what we can actually do, given we have this now shared computer that's operating with Claude or Codex, and your whole team has access to it, you connect it to the data in your business, you can now pull in a bunch of interesting data. So here I've connected Shopify and actually build shared applications, shared internal dashboards, or even fully working apps. So here's a product inventory dashboard that I've designed and built inside of my marketing space that helps me understand if I'm running out of inventory, where I might need to purchase new inventory. This is accessible securely to my team. I can iterate on it with this agent. So I can just click here, select this, and say, I also want to understand this over time, right? And now the agent will dynamically update this dashboard, and my whole team has access to this conversation. They can prompt it together with me, comment on it. You can make documents like this and collaborate on the documents. You can make applications, and they all become a part of this library of content in that shared space with your team. And so this is a really powerful way to work together. You're really working with these AI tools in a way that feels quite natural. You can break out the work in a way that you want, but you don't end up overwhelmed with a ton of different agents that are all named for these individual tasks. So I think this is much closer to the future of the way we all work. Can also in Type connect your existing Codex and Claude subscriptions, and we can run the requests through your existing subscriptions, similar to a local environment. You can see here we're working on our desktop app. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app. You can also add Type to your Slack. So as you're creating these spaces, you can map the channels in the spaces to channels in Slack and easily get your team on board and using the product, because you can now just have it post updates into Slack. You can even go in here, hey, at Type, tell me about my products in Shopify, and just ping Type anywhere from any channel in Slack. It'll use, once again, that context it has across those spaces, the memory and the integrations that it has access to view the right answer here. We've seen our customers start by using the product in Slack, getting their whole team on board, and then as they use it more and more, wow, I really like having this dedicated place to do my agentic work, to collaborate with my team, to do lots of work in parallel. A little overview of Type and how it works. And if you're interested in joining the private beta, please let me know.